you know, or have someone who
got
knows
some
about
people skills
people
and
skills and
dog skills and
life skills,
responsibility skills, and it'll come along. I mean, as long as I've got those guys to help me with the driving, it's kind of fine. But for sure, when I get the big one, and it's fun. It's so much nicer having someone with you, you know?
Yeah, it totally was. Makes it so much easier, less stressful.
And it's more pleasant. You know, it's fun. We have a good time. Singing songs and, you know? Do you sing?